Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. In last lecture we have seen how to use if statement and multiple if. Let us see one more example. Here we have example of employee payment slip. Okay. Here we have details of employee code, name, department, join date, experience, basic, DA, HRA, total gross, professional tax and net pay. Okay. Here we have some rules. If the DA, if the experience is more than equal to 1 to in between if the experience between 1 to 3, then DA is 5%. More than 3, then DA is 7%. And if no experience, then DA is 0. Okay, for HRA, here is the same simple rule. If the basic salary is between 1000 to 3000, then 30%, 3000 to 5000, 40%, and more than 5000, 50%. And then we have to calculate total gross, that is addition of basic DA and HRA. After that, we will calculate proportional tax. Proportional tax is depend upon total gross. Here also we have some estimated amount. If the total gross is between 2000 to 4000, then 2%, 4600, then let us take here 3%. Here we use 3%. And if the more than, then here is 4%. If you have a standard ratio, then you can use that standard ratio also. Here only for educational level we take some dummy data. Okay, now let us calculate all this. First you have to create these columns. In this column we have input as employee code, name, department and join date. After that we have to calculate experience. Basic is also input, and then all these are calculations. Let us create. Here first remove the or leave the first row. Let us start from second row. Employee code, then name, department, basic salary, then there is DA, HRA, then there is total gross, professional tax, and net pay, net salary or net pay. Okay, let us adjust this. Okay, I put some record. Suppose employee code begin from 101. Press the control and by using fill handler, drag it. Okay, here you can type name. Okay, let us put some department. Suppose here put IT, computer, marketing, administration, and let us repeat these departments. Or you can use sales, purchase. Okay, now let us input the basic salary. Let us take simple figure. Okay, now calculate DA. Here have to we forget two columns. After department there is join date and experience. Join date and experience before basic. Okay, let us put two column. Undo. Okay, here we have to use join date and experience. Join date. The today's date is 20 May to 2020. Okay, then let us put date before this date for proper experience. First is month, then day, then year. Let us okay. Let us put the date of current year also, because we have a different criteria for calculating experience as well as DA and HRA. No, here also 2019. No, here also expense is less than 1. Okay, fine. Okay, here we have to put some dummy data. Now, how to calculate expense according to date? For that, we have to use one formula is equal to, the formula is C date, that is current date, in bracket. Sorry, the formula is of, we want to calculate experience. Okay. Now okay, let us use formula now. Now that is current date minus T3, and it is, we want to calculate experience in, we want to calculate experience in year. Therefore, let us divide it by 365 days. Okay, and convert this to a simple value. Go to format cell, use year number. Okay, we don't want any decimal place. Okay, now let us drag it. Here is zero experience, right? Here is zero experience, 0 year. Here is 13 year, 5 year, 2 year, 4 year, 3 year. Okay, let us change this date. 2000. Suppose here we take 15. Okay, now the simple formula for experience is now. Now is the current date and time of computer minus the current date We have uh, put this date as a joint date, that is minus that date and divided by 365. Then we will get experience in year. And if you want to check this experience in month also, so you can also take a 1 year and 5 month. Okay, but we don't need this. We only want to check experience in whole value. Now let us calculate DA. What is the criteria of DA? If the experience is between 1 to 3, then DA is 5%. Okay. Then let us apply if and the sale of experience is E3 is more than equal to 1, comma, E3 is less than 3. Then DA is how much? 5%. Okay. 5% on basic salary. The value of basic salary is under F3 into 5%, that is into 0.05, right? Then the next criteria, if experience is, that is E3 is more than equal to 3, then DA is F3 into 0.07. Okay, and there is no DA for zero experience. Therefore, if and, or let us try one thing. If the no, if the experience is not more than 3, then let us put the DA is 0. Let us see what happens. Close the inner if, then outer if. Okay, yeah, it is right. But let us see how it evaluate the formula. Go to formula and here evaluate formula. Press on evaluate the experience is 1 point something 4. Okay, that is the first condition is true. Less than 3 is also true. Okay, then it will calculate the DA is 2000 into, because the salary is 2000 into 0.05, that is 5%, that is 100. Okay, like this it will evaluate. Now let us check how to evaluate this value. Evaluate formula. The first condition is false, second one is condition is true, and here E3 is more than equal to 3 is false, therefore it will go to 0. Okay, you can also change this formula and you can also place the more conditions. Now let us see for HRA. HRA is depend upon salary, then equal to if and salary is in F3 is more than equal to 2000, comma, F3 is less than 3000, then the HRA is how much? 30% on basic salary. Then let us write here F3 into 30%, that is 0.3. Okay, after that here we have to use 2000. After that, if and the salary is, that is F3 is more than equal to 3000, comma, F3 is less than 5000, then the HRA is I think 40%, that is 0.4. Okay, and if F3 is more than 5000, more than equal to 5000, then there is HR is F3 into 0.5, that is 5%. And let us close the if. Inner if, no, there is some problem, because whenever we want to close it, then it have to close first this bracket. Yeah, here we forgot the logical operator and. Now let us see. Yeah, right. right, right. Here is HRA. Okay, you can also give criteria as per your logic. Now here is total gross is too simple because it is addition of basic plus DA plus HRA. Therefore, addition of basic plus DA plus HRA. Again using field handler bracket. Now how to calculate proportional tax. Let us see the criteria. If the total gross is 2 to 4, then 2%, 4 to 6, 3%, and then more than 4, 4%. Okay. Then if and total gross in I3, therefore I3 is more than equal to 2000, comma, I3 is less than 3000, then proportional tax is on total gross. Therefore I3 into 0.02, that is 2%, comma. Let us continue the condition, and I3 is greater than equal to 3000 and I3 is less than, you can change criteria, no doubt, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. Okay, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6 less than 6000. Then there is proportional tax is I3 into 0.033%. Then again continue if and I3 is more than equal to 6000, then proportional tax is 40%. Let us close it. Okay, now the net salary. Net salary is simple. Total gross minus proportional tax. Total gross is in I3 minus proportional tax is in J3. Here is net salary. Okay, let us zoom out it. Here you can give the heading, go to merge and center. Payslip of employee. Okay, let us bold it. Bold. Okay, like this you can create a different type of payslip, or if you have a different type of data, then you can put this data in Excel and calculator simple calculations. Okay, now let us see one more thing. Here we have department, then we can also here sort out department, or calculator sum distributor to each department. Here we have sort and filter. Okay, let us sort is A to Z. Here we sort the department, and how to check distributor salary. Then here we have, okay, we will see filter and all these things in next session. Here we have only sort as per the department. Okay, the main thing of this lecture is how to put for values and calculate a formula as per our own criteria. Okay, thank you. We will continue in next lecture.